Howdy everybody, and welcome to Houston, Texas, day one of the Abilities Expo. And no, I'm not a cowboy, I'm just Dave Stevens, and I'm here in one of the great booths. This is the Shriners Children's of Texas. It is near and dear to my heart. Check out this photo from 1969. It was my very first set of artificial legs. The Shriners helped me in my life, gave me those legs, and gave me that opportunity to live a normal life. So near and dear to my heart, thank you, Shriners. Many great booths here all weekend long. Come on down at the NRG Center. Admission is free. It's been a great day one, and I got to hand it to the folks at the Abilities Expo. There's a lot to see. Well, I'm here with a guy that steals most of the Expo shows, Justin Graham. And Justin, WOW stands for Watch Our Wackiness?
You would think so, but no, it really stands for Wonders on Wheels, or I don't know, Wonders on Wheels. And the reason that we use WOW is because that's what the results that everybody's getting on our platform. It's enough to make people say wow. People are losing weight, people are gaining muscle, people are feeling great, people are moving, people are excited. And so WOW just really stands for wow.
And there isn't a lot of physical activity for the older folks in our world, and it's great to see the crowds that you get, and they're moving their arms and they're doing their things, and the smiles when they realize, hey, I can have fun and get some physical fitness in.
Yes, who knew that fun and fitness could be in the same sentence? But we love what we do, and we love empowering people to feel like they can do anything, right? And so the more that we empower them to be independent, the more they will continue to help others, right? And so it's a domino effect of greatness where we get people feeling good to make other people feel good.
And you're not just here at the Expos, although you are the star, but how can people find out more about you and what you're doing all year round?
Good deal. You can find us at wowwondersonwheels.com, or you can find us at wowwheelchairfitness.com.
And you got to come and see his smile, man. It's the thing that keeps us going. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Keep on dancing. All right.
Hi, I'm Angela Main with Lifeward, and we're here at Abilities Expo in Houston, and we're showing you the MYOCycle. MYOCycle is the only isokinetic FES cycle on the market, so it can help you with strengthening muscles with a neurological condition. So we can decrease spasticity, increase range of motion, increase circulation, all the things that are necessary when you are rehabbing from spinal cord injury or trying to get more function with cerebral palsy, multiple sclerosis, post-stroke, brain injury, those types of conditions. So we would love for you to visit us at golifeward.com and enter your information so we can help you with seeing if a MYOLYN FES cycle is good for your rehab.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Chrisman with BuildMyWheelchair.com. We're excited to be at the Houston Expo this year and excited to bring lots of parts and accessories to all of our attendees. We sell Quantum, Permobil, Sunrise, Power, Manual, Scooter, parts and accessories throughout the U.S. and internationally. You can find us on BuildMyWheelchair.com.
I think it's really cool to see all of these things in use and how it really affects people's lives, because we're in school and we're looking at a screen and we're learning things all day, but I think seeing it in person and actually getting to meet these people and talk to them about how these products change their lives is really awesome and really special experience.
I would agree with that. I think seeing it firsthand, you learn so much about it in school, but being able to see how impactful and how much these tools are improving quality of life in these clients is really, really cool. And kind of seeing it on their level, that's what I've kind of taken from it.
How's everybody doing today? My name is Brandon with Sunrise Medical. I'm here with my buddy Carter. We're going to show you our brand new product that will be launching next month called the M90. It's a new power assist wheel that we have. And It's a mid-wheel power assist. So what's great about this product, you have a couple cool features on it. You can push the chair manually because we have an engagement lever here where you twist it. Once you lock it, then the wheels are going to be locked into place where you can drive it with the wireless remote control box here. But if Carter wants to just push it like normal, we can just unlock it and go ahead and give it a shot. Yeah. So he's got all the speed like he typically is used to.
Yeah.
But if he's going up a difficult hill or difficult terrain, all we got to do is flip the switch, Carter. Go ahead and twist it. Right there. Yep, you had it. Right there.
Okay.
And then let me give you a little bit of a push because it's going to lock the wheels and engage the motors right there. Once those lock in place, we're going to be ready to go. All we need to do here, let me turn the power on just a second. Give it a moment. Go ahead and hold it forward for me. It's going to sync up the motors. Okay. And now let's let it go here. Change the mode, and this will allow him to drive it like a power wheelchair. Just like that. So there's going to be a couple different speed settings. There's an indoor and an outdoor mode on this. You can drive this either like a joystick drive, or you can drive it latched. So to drive it latched, you're going to hold this button right here, and it's going to have a blue light. And I haven't showed him how to use this yet, so I might not want to show you yet. But what's going to happen is you're going to be able to push this forward just like that. And then it's going to latch without him having to do anything. All he has to do is steer. If he pulls it back, it's going to stop the chair right there. Or you can hit downwards, and that's also going to allow you to stop. But for, I think, Carter, he preferred doing the regular joystick drive, which is like that. It's easiest for him. And so, yeah, we're really excited about this product. What's great about it, too, is with ours, you can get a different types of tires, different type of hand rims. We don't really have any limitations there. And the big couple key features on this, it's about half the weight of our competitor products out there on the market. And we have a removable battery on it as well, on both motors.
I love it. It's light and fun, and I get to wheel around really fast.
To be future forward, to have progress, and when it comes to innovation, and when it comes to actually nurturing and growing and solving issues and building bridges where there are gaps. Que tienen una asesora en español y estoy muy orgullosa de representar a nuestra gente latina para la comunidad que a veces no se siente que es simplemente representada.
One of the coolest parts about the Houston Expo is we are giving away Caribbean cruises, and Sophia, you're our first winner. I mean, what made you come here today, and how did you win?
Well, I came just for the first time, and this is my first experience being here, and I just put my name in just hoping to win, and I did.
What was that like when they called your name?
Exciting, shocking, life-changing.
And so you're going to go on this cruise. Have you been on a cruise before? I know our world, it's tough to be in wheelchairs, but are you looking forward to it?
Yes, and no, I have never been on a cruise.
Well, we got 2 more to give away the rest of the weekend, so come on down. You've got to be here to win, but Sophia won, and she's smiling.
Yes, I am ecstatic.
All right, that's going to do it for day 1 of the Abilities Expo here in Houston. Oh, wait, you can't see me. Hold on a second. Open Sesame. That's right. This is an amazing product, the Open Sesame door system. I've got John right here who invented it. John, where'd this come from?
This was invented about 35 years ago for a friend of mine. And it can fit on any residential door or apartment door. Very adaptable. We've had these things, some of these have been operating for 30 years.
Easy to install and put in?
Easy to install, easy to put in. We have a wonderful dealer network. We can get you this installed in any part of the United States.
Okay, how am I going to get this thing?
You're going to call our phone number, which is 1-800-OPEN-911.
All right, well, through the magic of what we've done, we're going to head out of here. I think let's go have a beer.
Okay, let's go do it.
To Sesame!